Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and my name is Sujil, and today I'll be talking about how one can improve their communication skill just by following the 5 points. And the points which I'll be sharing about is super simple to follow, like everyone can follow to improve their communication skill. Okay, so before moving ahead, please do hit the like button and bombard to the subscribe button so that I get motivated to make such more awesome contents for you all. So let's get started. So the first point is going to be reading. Reading is very important in improving your communication skill. By reading, I don't mean ki go and read the books of class 5, 6, 7. Then your communication skill will raise up to the next level. Totally wrong. Reading means like you should read those books or novels by a great author. And it should be like कि तुम उससे कुछ सीख रहे हो after reading, right? And in fact, there are lots of books are available so that you can read to improve your skills. Few books you can consider to read by Alan Barker and Mark Goldstein, and lot more available. Or if you can't afford those books, then you can download their PDFs. I'll put the PDF link in the description box. So after watching this video, you can go and download the PDF form of that books. And mind it, reading not just only improve your communication skill, it also increases your vocabulary. It also helps to understand the thoughts of other. It also strengthens your brain. So reading plays an important role in improving your communication skill. The second point is going to be listening. Listening podcasts and audiobooks should also be considered by you people in order to improve your communication skill. I might also use to listen podcasts and audiobooks to enhance my listening skills and communication skill. Listening to others allows you to know about the person to whom you are listening, about like how he think about, like about his mentality, about his reaction, like how he react, about his thinking perspective, like that. Now the third one is going to be watching. Well, watching movies, documentary or any short film also helps you in improving your communication skill. Not only communication skill, it also helps us to be a positive person. It also inspires us to be a better person. It also helps in learning the new things. It also helps us to deal with difficult situations. So watching good movies also plays an important role in improving communication skill. Number 4 one is going to be enjoy. Now many of you will be like, what the heck enjoy is? So wait. So enjoy means whatever things you are learning, whatever things you are learning to improve your communication skill, just enjoy. Like I mean कि whatever thing you are learning, just enjoy while learning, right? I mean कि किसी भी skills को अगर आप सीख रहे हो तो उसको enjoy करो, feel के साथ सीखो. Otherwise everything goes डाउन, क्योंकि मज़ा ही नहीं आएगा अगर फील और एंजॉय के साथ नहीं करोगे. किसी भी स्किल्स को अगर आप नहीं सीखोगे तो आपको उस पर मन ही नहीं लगेगा. जैसे कि मैंने आपको ऊपर में कुछ एग्जांपल्स दिया कि यार आप ये चीज़ कर लो और यू विल बी लाइक रेज अप टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल. नो, अगर आपको उस चीज़ पे अगर अच्छा नहीं लगता है कि लाइक यू विल नॉट गेटिंग हैप्पी आफ्टर रीडिंग दोज बुक्स बाय जस्ट यूजिंग दोज स्पॉटिफाई ऐप, देन यू कैन ट्राई एक्सप्लोर द थिंग्स. जो भी इंटरनेट में अवेलेबल है उसको ट्राई करो, एक्सप्लोर करना कि क्या आप करके आप नया चीज़ को सीख सकते हो, राइट? सो इसीलिए कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स को अगर आपको सीखना हो तो आपको जितना भी जो मैंने 3 पॉइंट्स ऊपर बताया उसको आपको एंजॉय करके सीखना होगा. अदरवाइज आप नहीं सीख पाओगे अच्छे से. सो मेक श्योर कि आप एंजॉय करो किसी भी स्किल्स को जब सीखते हो तो. नाउ द 5th वन इज गोइंग टू बी प्रैक्टिस. Here, practice is directly proportional to the consequences, right? Like I mean, more the practice you will do, the better the result you will get. Now, बात आती है कि practice करूँ कैसे, right? तो I guess कि आपके 1-2 फ्रेंड तो जरूर होंगे, right? तो try to plan कि bro, from today let's talk in English so that we both can improve our English skill. Or if your friend deny कि bro मुझसे नहीं होगा, then just leave him. There are a few apps are available so that you can use them to learn English, right? And few of them are Spotify, as I already told you, and Duolingo and Cambly and etc etc. So lastly what I would say is कि practice is super duper important, क्योंकि अगर आप किसी चीज और किसी स्किल को सीख रहे हो और you are not implementing it, then you will find difficulty. So that's why everyone says कि if you are learning a skill, then you must apply it somewhere to check like how much you know about that skill, right? So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys enjoy this video, please do hit the like button and bombard to the subscribe button so that I get motivated to make such more awesome contents. And as you can see my Instagram handle, go and follow me there. And comment down below whether this video is helpful for you or not. So bye bye, stay motivated and peace out.